Magswitch tool, the miter slot indicator. So the first functionality that I'm going to show you is something that other tools can do. This does it in a bit of a different way that I kind of like. Those two magnets can grip the bar of a cross fence and then travel with it so that you can look at the alignment between the miter slot and the blade and get your table tuned up. You see, I'm out by almost 10 thousandths. And that was too much for me. I'm not a perfectionist with this kind of stuff, but it was enough that I thought it'd be worth fiddling around with, and it's a good demonstration of the tool. So I adjust the top of the table and tweak it and fiddle with it until I get it to the point where I'm out by just 2 thousandths, and that's close enough for my shop. So like I said, there are other tools that can do this, but the great thing about this tool, since it's all built around a magnetic switchable base, is that you can plunk this thing down at any point on the table saw and get a read on where the fence is. And this is handy when you're trying to dial in the fit, say, for this piece fitting into this slot tightly. So it's too big, I need to take just a little bit off. But if I take off too much, then I'm going to have a gap, and if this is visible, then that's a real problem. I can use this indicator on the opposite side of the fence to make very small micro adjustments in the fence until I get that perfect fit. So that's what I'm doing here. This was about a 2 thou change in the position of the fence, and I can repeat that process, sneaking up on it, knowing where I am, until I get the perfect fit. So that is the tight fit that I'm looking for. And just to take it a little bit farther, I'll use this tool to move the fence even further, so 3 thousandths more, and make another cut. And now you can see that it's not terrible, but it is loose and you can see a gap. So for all you machinists that are yelling woodworkers don't need ultra precision, in some cases it's definitely nice to have.